Comparing high-performance blenders, Vitamix A3500, Blendtec Designer 725, and Breville Super Q. When evaluating high-performance blenders, the Vitamix A3500 Ascent Series Smart Blender is a top contender. To provide a comprehensive comparison, let's examine two notable competitors, the Blendtec Designer 725 and the Breville Super Q blender. We'll explore the pros and cons of each to help you make an informed decision. The Vitamix A3500 is renowned for its powerful motor and versatile performance. Pros. Powerful motor. Equipped with a 2.2 horsepower motor, it can easily crush ice and blend tough ingredients like nuts and seeds. Pre-programmed settings. Features 5 pre-programmed settings for smoothies, hot soups, dips and spreads, frozen desserts, and self-cleaning. Touchscreen control panel. The intuitive touchscreen allows for easy adjustment of speed and settings. Cons. Price. As a premium blender, it comes with a higher price tag, which may be a consideration for budget-conscious consumers. Size. Its larger footprint may require significant counter space, which could be a concern for smaller kitchens. The Blendtec Designer 725 is known for its sleek design and advanced features. Pros. Powerful motor. Boasts a robust motor capable of handling tough ingredients with ease. Pre-programmed settings. Offers 6 pre-programmed cycles, including smoothies, hot soups, ice cream, cold juice, and more. Speed control. Provides 100 speed settings for precise control over blending consistency. Cons. Noise level. Tends to be louder during operation compared to some competitors. Learning curve. The extensive range of settings may require time for users to become familiar with all functions. The Breville Super Q blender is appreciated for its power and quiet operation. Pros. High power motor. Features an 1,800 WW motor, slightly more powerful than the Vitamix A3500's 1,480W, capable of handling tough ingredients like frozen fruit, kale, and ice with ease. Quiet operation, noted for being quieter compared to other high-performance blenders. Personal blending cup. Comes with a personal blending cup, making it convenient for small batches. Cons. Price. While still expensive, it is overall $150 cheaper than the Vitamix A3500. Size. Its larger size may require ample counter space, which could be a consideration for smaller kitchens. Each of these blenders offers unique features catering to different needs. The Vitamix A3500 Ascent Series Smart Blender is ideal for those seeking a powerful and versatile appliance with intuitive controls. The Blendtec Designer 725 appeals to individuals desiring a sleek design with extensive speed settings, while the Breville Super Q blender is suited for those looking for a high-power blender with quieter operation and the convenience of a personal blending cup. Consider your specific blending requirements, available kitchen space, and budget to select the blender that best fits your lifestyle.